Bling, bling, bling. Hey guys, it's Amber from Saving Mamacita. Welcome back to my channel. It is time for another unboxing. That's right, we do unboxings here. We do product reviews, lifestyle videos, but mostly monthly subscription unboxings, quarterly unboxings, annual unboxings, beauty unboxings, fashion box unboxings, pet box unboxings, you name it, we unbox it right here at Saving Mamacita. And we do it with a little bit of fun too. We love to have fun here because getting boxes, it's like getting presents. It's like so much freaking fun. Okay, so this time around, guys, it is my Therabox. I haven't unboxed Therabox before. It comes in this beautiful little purple box. It is a self-care box, and I have done this one before. You can check out the link right above there. You guys, self-care boxes are necessary. Self-care is necessary. We need to take care of ourselves, and there is no shame in that.
A few moments later.
This one is always based on a theme. They have a theme every month, and you guys know that I love the detailed descriptions of different products because I love to learn about the products that are in the box, because there are so many products out there that you never hear about. And that is the fun part about subscription boxes, is getting to see brands that you never would have found otherwise. So let's go ahead and get to it, because otherwise I'm going to keep rambling. We need to get into it. If you go to mytherabox.com, that is where you're going to find all the information you need to know about Therabox. They offer different price points for you as far as packages goes. If you decide that this box is something that you would absolutely love to receive regularly, you can actually receive a discount on your boxes if you are into the committal thing. So right off the top, we have a booklet. Yes, this is like a freaking booklet of all of the items in the box. I have never seen a subscription box have such a detailed and organized booklet like Therabox. So what's in the box? It has all of the items here, all of the prices, the values, and what is super cool about this particular box is they offer discount codes for additional purchases. So if there's a product in here that you absolutely love and you want more of, you can go and use a coupon code and buy more. Right off the top, we have, okay, look here. It has the fun confetti that you guys know I love. Okay, so the first item is called Face Off Cloth. Face Off Cloth. So, as you can imagine, definitely a product for you makeup lovers. If you guys wear makeup, you gotta get it off. And a lot of times it's hard to get off if you don't have the right cleanser or the right tool for it. This is a cloth that you can use instead of those disposable cloths. You can have a cloth like this that is reusable to get your makeup off. So simply, this cloth is worth a value of $14.99. Basically, all you need for it is water. Get it wet, wipe your face down, makeup comes off, boom, you're good to go. Next, we have another candle. So if you've watched my previous unboxing with Therabox, you know that they did have a candle in the last one, or maybe it was the box before this last one. I don't remember, but I got a candle and it came in a pretty little container like this. It says 100% soil candle with healing stones. And on the top, it has a little quote. It says, "You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection." Truth. I love the look of this candle. Look at that. It's like pastel colors. Kind of reminds me of like a prism. Willow Collective is the brand. It's called Self-Love Candle. It's $15. It's always a good time to love yourself, and this 100% soy candle is here to remind you to take time to nourish yourself daily. So this candle, you guys, is crafted with a soothing blend of apricot essential oil and topped with a rose quartz to boost the energy of love, chakra healing, and balancing. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. And look at that, it has the little crystals inside of it. Definitely fruity, you guys. I love the fruity scents. Next we have, this is I Am Beautiful. That's what it's called. This product is actually a mascara. Its value is $18. I love mascara. Never heard of this brand. $18 value. And I don't know, it's not really anything spectacular from what I can see. $18. Vitamin E tropical plant extract. Give it about 30 seconds to set, and then you take on your day with this. So you use the brush and apply as you would a gel eyeliner. Next up we have, this is called Earth Harbor. This is Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule. A-M-P-O-U-L-E, Ampoule. $32 value. Okay, so it says, a soothing ethereal glow of the Aurora Borealis sweeping across the sky, captured in a bottle. Free from all questionable shenanigans. No shenanigans, guys. We don't want shenanigans. This superfood elixir is a natural, ethically, and sustainably made, vegan, cruelty-free, 100% non-GMO, non-toxic, fair trade, plant-based, and free from synthetics, fillers, and nasty chemicals. Nasty. This sounds amazing. It sounds really amazing. And guess what else is in it, guys? Harmonizing sea greens plus cannabis sativa hemp oil and pacifying grapeseed oil plus neem seed extract. Wow. So this is basically good for reducing flaking, dry skin, nourishing and softening cracked skin, and guarding your skin from irritants. Next, we have this little doohickey. This is it looks like a fragrance of sorts. Yep, it's a roll-on fragrance. Riddle Oil Corporation Poppy Oil. $50? $50 for this? Poppy oil is one of 7 signature scents and incorporates lovely citrus and floral notes containing orange blossom, lemon, rose, and ylang-ylang. Ylang-ylang.
I don't know. Ling-ling.
Wonderfully uplifting and filled with positive energy. Poppy is also cruelty-free, vegan, non-toxic, and hypoallergenic. So this is supposed to create an uplifting aura everywhere you go. This isn't my jam, but if you like rose smelling, or I guess poppies, this would be your jam, but it's not my jam. We've got a sheet mask. It's another sheet mask. I love doing masks. These are so fun, so relaxing. This is called the Skin-fulness I Am Enough Hydrocellulose Sheet Mask. This is a $9 value. One mask for $9. Heal, hydrate, and nourish your skin with the illuminating face mask from Skin-fulness. The I Am Enough sheet mask is formulated with a hydrocellulose technology that is biodegradable, cruelty-free, and free from all parabens, artificial preservatives, and synthetics. It is packed with classic healing, hydrating, and antioxidant ingredients to give you the nourishment and restoration that you deserve. And then we have one more thing, guys. It looks like it's one of those stress reduction card kits. I received one of these before in my Therabox, probably 2 boxes ago. They're kind of fun, actually. This is a $22 and $66 value. Not sure where they get the 66 cents part of it, but it is what it is. It's gonna give you some ideas on how you can practice self-care.
A few moments later.
You know what time it is. Yep, it's time. It's time to rate that box. Rate that box. Okay, you guys, so Therabox. What can I say about Therabox? I have always enjoyed Therabox. I've only received a couple boxes, but god darn it, I've really enjoyed receiving them. And simply because the value is always super high. If you choose to go month to month with this particular box, it's just $34.99 a month. Super legit. You're going to get quite a few products in here, anywhere from 5 to 8 products, full-size products. They ship worldwide, so if you're not in the USA and you want this box, you're watching this video and you're like, oh my gosh, why can't I get this box? You can. They ship internationally, so that is so awesome. And most importantly is if you decide you don't want the box anymore, you can cancel anytime with no obligation. Okay, so looking at all the items, you guys, we're gonna give this box a rating based on a few different factors. 1, the price point and the value of the items. 2, the quality and variety of the items. And 3, the presentation of the box and all of that jazz. So I love how well packaged this box comes. It has the detailed description which you guys know I'm obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with this booklet. Like, it is awesome. It's got the confetti and it's always neatly arranged in the box. It's got a beautiful box. The presentation is always on point, on freaking point. As far as the variety of the items, awesome. They have everything from candles to beauty products to self-care to mindfulness and helping with stress. It's just a nice variety of items. The value is a little bit higher than what it should be. So that is the only thing that would really bring this score down a little bit for me, because it's a very high value for some of these items. And I would have to do a little bit more research to see exactly what these ingredients are in the products that are creating the value to be what they think it is. But based on what I know right now, and based on everything that I was presented, I'm gonna go ahead and give this box a 7. That's right. I'm gonna give this Therabox a 7. Not bad. A 7 is good. So if you guys like this box, please give me a like. Well, if you like the video, please give me a like. Leave a comment down below. What item in this box would you love to try? I would love to know what you think about this box. So leave me a comment down below. And if you enjoyed the box and want to see more unboxings from me, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to get that notification when I have new videos coming. So thank you guys so much for watching. We are going to see you in the next video.